Senior Secondary School pen activities fair kapadopon. Pini 20 number Singhason Constituency kaparlo Longnit along Karbi Anglong arani katalon pon. Kardom nili birta life thanbang pisa mima lintarangpi lasinonang tonpen birtar jipon ikha. Phaikuni Craner Cap arni Difu Singkiri Senior Secondary School pen Mithanga Charlie Hem along Arnisia Farman activities fair kapadopon. Bangsa activities fair along Singkiri Senior Secondary School along Charlie Osomar Isrim ke thom lake Science Arts Lapen Commerce ka Charlie Osomar atum pensi ason activities paklangpon. Activities fair pen ke paklangpon lake GST model money industrial products lapen online payment aputhak he si activities fair along paklangpon. Pini bangso activities fair lake non akai pirthe along ke plangbom ason saidelo lasilahai ka chini nangji akinang sot binong. Lapen mesen lo pusi pinang at tumningarong chipirinti. Non Singkiri Senior Secondary School a Vice Principal Sarlamet tiso alam the pen activities fair alam the arjipon sinang. Difu pen birta life of Perangke Abraham tiso report.
We conduct our classes along with it. We have a lot of activities that is going on. For example, we have some project works going on, we have some science experiments going on inside our laboratories. So such activities are usually the parents, they don't have much idea about what is going on inside the school. So this activity fair, it will showcase a wide variety of activities from science streets, from chemistry. You'll visualize models and projects in physics, chemistry, likewise in art stream. We have models prepared, projects prepared in geography, and likewise the students of commerce are also involved.
Pini Unity, Victory and Prosperity Rally pu athepi and ponpen Karbi Anglong de katalon along pacheton dun. Pini Karbi Anglong de katalon along aluhiaman penang kechitong dun. Akehai KAC CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, KAC Speaker Raju Tiso, Assam Legislative Assembly Deputy Speaker Dr. Numal Momin, MLA Dorsing Ronghang, MLA Bidya Singh Leng, EM Madhuram Lekthe, MAC Johnny Timung Lapen, EM MP MAC kapre kithe kiding atum stame chetong dun. Piniada paporpen sayang dengke dengpon Singhason Constituency hawaralong hong pharla sitame ingpupon. Lapen lama ingthur ponderapi Karbi Anglong ke palong lapen kachisong atumaphan mira lekpen milur kaipon. Lapen sai kati kiarat aphan phiruil athe lapen spray machine sitame ronpon. Halapu ronga sara maya tumaphan sitame village court alo lapen kitab pak thom ronpon. Bangso katalon along Singhason arat atum aliralon pidun pen Karbi Anglong de talon pon. Birta life of Herangke Longkiram Tagbi report.
Council a constitution alotoi lapenke Bailo Village Council alotoi alam lidum aphan pi pacheton alam lidum ansusik misen me pen the Bangsa Village Council katari konji aphan si rejume biglo as Richard APC warna Kachimon Honorable CM Sir Ardeng Pensi La Bangsa Village Council certificate lapenke la sonpli alotoi abangke alam lidum aphan Pini
Pinia birta lapan sing ton iglo lang ikta birta life.